In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add columns in Mailchimp. Getting your newsletter or email campaign just right involves a lot of creative steps, one of which is organizing your content visually appealing. A great way to achieve this is by using columns, and Mailchimp has made adding these to your campaigns quite straightforward. If you've never done it before or just need a bit of a refresher, you're in the right place. First, ensure you're logged into your Mailchimp account. Head over to the Mailchimp website and click on the login page. Here you'll be prompted to enter your username or email address followed by your password. Make sure you input this information correctly, then click on the login button to proceed. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Mailchimp homepage. This is where all your email marketing magic begins. To add columns to your email, you'll first need to have a campaign to work with. Look for the Campaigns tab and select it. This will show you all the campaigns you're currently working on or have sent in the past. Find the campaign you want to edit and click on it. Now you're ready to start editing your campaign. Look for the Edit Design button to dive into the design aspects of your campaign. This is where the real fun begins and your creative juices can truly start flowing. Upon clicking Edit Design, you will see various options for customizing your campaign. One of the first things you should see is the Layouts tab. This tab is crucial because it houses all the different structural elements you can add to your campaign, including the much desired columns. Inside the Layouts tab, you'll see several layout options, including single columns, 2 columns, 3 columns, and so forth. Each layout option allows you to structure your email differently. Think about how you want your campaign to look and what kind of information you'll be including. This will help you decide which layout to use. Choose a column or layout by simply dragging it into your campaign. This is wonderfully intuitive. Just click on the layout you want, hold, drag it over, and drop it into your campaign where you want it. If you're using a laptop or desktop, you might find using a mouse helps with precision, but most devices will let you accomplish this neatly. Adding columns can totally transform the look and feel of your email campaigns. It allows for a more structured, visually appealing presentation of your content. You can use columns to separate images from text, different topics, or just to create a balanced design that's pleasing to the eye. Here are a few tips to get the most out of your columns in Mailchimp. Keep your content balanced. When you're using multiple columns, try to ensure that each column is visually balanced with the others. This can mean keeping text and images proportionate across columns. Use columns to guide your readers. You can use the layout of your columns to guide the reader's eye through your email in a way that makes sense and ensures they don't miss any important information. Experiment with different layouts. Depending on the content of your email, some layouts may work better than others. Don't be afraid to experiment with different column numbers and arrangements to find what works best for your specific campaign. And that's it. You've just learned how to add columns to your Mailchimp campaigns. Remember, the key to a successful email campaign is not just the information you include, but also how it's presented. With Mailchimp's versatile column layouts, you have the power to create visually compelling emails that will engage and delight your subscribers. Don't hesitate to revisit your campaign design a few times before sending it out. Sometimes taking a step back and looking at your email with fresh eyes can reveal new insights into how to make your campaign even more engaging. With practice and a bit of creativity, you'll be crafting beautiful, column-rich Mailchimp emails in no time. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on making the most of your email marketing efforts. Happy emailing!